In this video, we're going to cover SEOQuake toolbar. This is a powerful SEO toolbar which collects data on the fly. Some of the features of the toolbar are: we can conduct on-page SEO audit in a flash. We can examine internal and external links for the website. Also compare domains and URLs in real time for your domain and also for competitor domains. Good thing is you can export all data into a file using this toolbar. Now let us see how the toolbar works. So the tool is available in this URL, seoquake.com/index.url. So you can go to the website and install the plugin. So the plugin is available for Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera, and Safari browsers. Also, it's available for iPhone and Android devices. So once you go to the website, you can click on the install SEOQuake link. So it will show you add Chrome extension. Right now I already installed this extension, so it is showing me remove from Chrome. But if you are installing newly, it will show add Chrome extension. So you can install the extension and enable it. So once install this extension, we'll see how the tool works. So for example, we'll analyze the website, Wikipedia website, and see what data the toolbar provides. So let's go to this Wikipedia website. So this is our Wikipedia website. So we want to see about what are the stats for this website. So we can use this toolbar. So this toolbar is available under the installed in the Chrome browser. The extension, if you click on that icon, it will show all the data about this web page, right? So here it shows the Alexa ranking for this website, Google index for this website, Bing index, SEMrush index, and different parameters, right? So we can see what are the Facebook likes, Pinterest count, and so all these stats are available quickly. So like it doesn't take much time to show the stats, right? We can also see the page info for this Wikipedia page by clicking on the page info button. So it will open a new page, but it will show you the details about what is the title, what are the meta keywords, what are the meta description for this web page, what is the internal links, external links, and all that, right? Also, it will show you the keyword density, right? How many keywords are there, how many times it found, how many times it repeats, and what is the percentage of that keyword on that page, right? So this is the page info, and also we can see the diagnosis, like the audit of the page. It will give you like how is the URL, is it optimal, or is there any issues on the page? So it has a nice indicator. So if it's a green means that is optimal, and if it is red means there is some suggestions for improvement. It may not be a problem, but it's just a suggestion for improvements. So whenever there is a red, we can see the tips. What are the improvements we can do by looking at the tips. So here it says H1 tag. So it says suggestion is to implement HTML headings like H1 tags. So initial heading should include best keywords. Only one H1 heading per page will strengthen your SEO. So these tips are useful to fix your SEO audit errors for your web page. Right, you can review that. We can see whether it is mobile compliance or not. You can see the site compliance. Is there any things that can be improved? see something like this, XML sitemaps, Google Analytics, things like that. So this is a very useful info, quick and useful info for your page. So you can not only analyze your page, you can put any competitor's web page and see the data for their URLs. So you can see the internal links, how many internal links are being used, how many external links are being used. So this site is using, this URL is using 323 external links, and we can see what are those links and what are these stats about those links, right? You can see the keyword density is much more detailed fashion here. So you can see keyword, how many found and how many times it repeats, what is the density, what is the prominence, all this data. This is very quick. It doesn't take too long to display the data. It's very quick. Also, you can compare URLs and domains. You can import, so you can add multiple URLs here and then process them. It will compare it. You can input up to 15 URLs to compare your data, right? So that is the data on the page info. So we'll go back to this tool again here. Yeah. So also it has a toolbar option where it immediately displays data as a toolbar. So whenever you browse through some website, automatically it will display the data for that URL. So let's see the another URL. We will see. You want to see the data, right? It will see. You can. It is showing data for this web page for Neil Patel, over success. Right, what is the ranking and what is the age of this URL, all that stuff, right? So apart from SEO data, we can see backlinks of this website. How many backlinks are there? How many referring domains are there? How many referring IPs or IPs are there for this URL? Right, we can check also the domains. See for the domain as well. You can see for a root domain as well. So it will show you all this data for backlinks. So we can see display advertisement statistics for this page. How many total ads, how many total publishers, how many total advertisers, and what are the, whether it's media ads or text ads, right? So what are different popular media ads and all that info on this page, right? If we go to traffic analysis, we can see the traffic analysis, what is the traffic rank, what is the unique, how many number of unique visitors are there, what are the pages per visit, and average visit duration on this page, right? So you can see a lot of details using this tool. So this is a comprehensive list of features for this tool. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, you can put it in the comment section. I will reply it as soon as possible. Thank you.